Do you guys know what pulsed electromagnetic frequency therapy is? I didn't. 5 years ago, I wasn't using the Bemer, which is a pulsed electromagnetic frequency devices. And there's many devices, but I want to tell you about what that technology is about. So our Earth has these lightning bolts that are on the surface of the Earth. And that generates hertz that comes down to the center of the Earth where we stand and live. And that allows the Earth to have a low frequency of about 7.86 hertz. And that stimulates our circulation. And that's why it's so important for us to spend time on the Earth with our bare feet, in our gardens, on the beaches, hiking. And even if we wear shoes, we're still going to get some of that electromagnetic frequency. And remember, it's low levels. Remember, the microwave cooks our food at 2.5 gigahertz. And the phone that we carry around, and a lot of times, unfortunately, putting on our head, which you shouldn't do, is at 5 gigahertz, twice the amount of where we cook our food. Now, this is 7.86 hertz from the Earth. And that helps stimulate circulation. It does a lot of other things. But the most important thing that it does is it drives circulation in our body. So about 4 or 5 years ago now, I started using the Bemer, and I like to run. I give my running medals to my veterans. When they lose 10% of their body weight, we usually give them one of the medals to pass on the success. But what I found in my journey was that I was able to, after just 2 weeks, improve my running speed by 8 minutes. And I didn't do anything but lay on that Bemer twice a day. Many athletes use the Bemer. There's many other devices. I choose to use a Bemer because I feel that it's well made and it works incredibly well. My husband had bilateral plantar fasciitis, used the Bemer on one foot and not the other, and sure enough, he recovered. The next morning, he was yelling at me and said, this stupid device isn't going to work. And he was an engineer, but he didn't understand the technology. And then the next morning, he woke up and he said, I can't believe my foot's better on this side. This is crazy. He ruptured his Achilles. And just after using the Bemer, after 2 weeks, he was out of the boot. In 3 months, he was doing squat jumps, not on a single leg, on the injured leg, but with both legs. But that's pretty impressive. So the circulation is what drives to help us heal and fight infections. Circulation helps us fight cancer. Circulation helps us fight heart disease, liver failure, and kidney failure, and enhanced cognitive performance. It's important that we maximize our circulation. Spending time on the Earth is what we should be doing. About 8 to 12 hours a day. It's just hard to do that. So when you lay on the Bemer 8 minutes twice a day, you actually get that parallel, because 8 minutes on the Bemer, laying on the mat with the pad across your waist, actually gives you about 12 hours of circulation. You repeat that again and you get a second 12 hours. And the more continued use, it continues to enhance your circulation. So I challenge you, ask someone near you to use it. Give us a call on Shield of Life. If you're near us, we will be happy to rent you a device. We're happy to sell the devices too. They're fantastic. But check out Shield of Life, Bemer, and learn more. It's a wonderful, wonderful device to maximize circulation. You can't use this device if you have a pacemaker, if you have any electrical implantable stimulation devices like pain stimulators, if you have an insulin pump that has to be removed before you utilize it. So you should always consult your doctor whenever you try to use a new device, but this is a wonderful device to maximize circular flow. And I highly recommend it. And for that reason, that's why we endorse it and we sell it. Have a wonderful day. I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit like and subscribe. Bye-bye now.